This video demonstrates how to test MSI package and its apps for compliance with the desktop app certification program. This will check the package safety, compatibility and readiness for deployment. For this, I will use PaySuite application packaging solution. You can get a free trial at paysuite.com. Run PaySuite launcher. Click on the Test Validate Lifecycle stage and select Check MSI Readiness. The first time you run testing, you need to configure the virtual machine manually in your environment. This could be a virtual machine hosted on VMware MSIX, Microsoft Hyper-V or Oracle VirtualBox. To start configuration, click Add. Choose a virtual machine location from the list and follow the displayed configuration instructions. The configured and validated virtual machines are displayed in this list. Choose a virtual machine and click Next. Then, choose an MSI package to test. Additionally, you can specify a transform file to apply, per user or per machine installation type, and the package-related external files that should be transferred to the virtual machine along with the package. Then, wait until the wizard has started the virtual machine, check the prerequisites, transferred the package to the VM, and tested the package. Usually, it takes about a few minutes for mid-size packages and depends on the speed of the network between your computer and the virtual machine. Once it is completed, the wizard moves to the next step automatically. Here you can save and open the testing report that is presented in HTML format. The report contains general application information, overall results, and the list of run tests with the passed not passed statuses. In addition, here you can find a description of the potential impact of issues and the suggested fixes. That is how MSI package can be checked with help of PaySuite. Thanks for watching.